Hello everyone. Welcome to Best Blender 2025. Today we are making a healthy and vibrant carrot and beetroot curry. For that, take fresh carrots and beetroots, wash them, peel it off, and wash it again and chop them into pieces. Now coming to ingredients, we require ginger, onion, green chilli, turmeric, chili powder, coriander. Now take a bandi, heat it, take a spoon of oil and add some roasted peanuts. This not only give crunch but they're packed with protein and healthy fats. Add jeera, that is optional. Now onions and green chilies. Salt them until soft and golden. Stir them nicely, they get roasted. Now in go finally chop the carrots and beetroots. Carrot are rich in vitamin A, great for eyes and skin. Beetroot is loaded with iron and vitamin C, perfect for boosting blood health and immunity. And you find colorful combination with green chilies, carrot and beetroot. And let them turmeric and ginger. Mix it properly and close the lid for 10 to 12 minutes. And it seems to be like colorful dish which you can have it for roti or rice. After closing the lid for 12 to 10 minutes, add some chili powder and for the flavors add some spices like coriander, which is helpful for the digestion. Now give the final touch with the coriander leaves and close the bandi, and there comes the crunchy beetroot curry. You can have